In the last episode, I talked about how books changed how I think, how they sharpened my perspective, how they helped me see the world differently. But before the books, before the mindset shift was refined, my foundation was built somewhere else. Joining the military was the ultimate hack of my journey, not because it made me rich, but because it changed how I operate. It taught me discipline, and it taught me survival. And it forced me to grow faster than my environment ever could. What's good? I'm Wine, and welcome back to the Everyday Come Up. If you're trying to level up without the hype, you're in the right place. This isn't about motivation, and this isn't an Army recruitment video. This is about the environment that built my foundation. I joined the military at 19. I wasn't lost, but I was searching. I knew since I was a kid that I wanted to serve, but at the same time, I was an athlete. I was good at football. I knew I could have competed at the next level, but recruitment never came. And when you grew up in a single parent household, you don't always have the luxury of waiting. You have to create your own path. So for me, the military became that path. It was simple. I just had to pass the ASVAB. And once I did, my life started separating from everything I grew up around. For the first time, I had consistent income, guidance, my own place, my own independence. I wasn't under my mother's roof anymore. I wasn't in the same environment. And when you change your environment, you change your trajectory. Because now, you're responsible for yourself. But the Army teaches you something deeper. Survival. Not just physical survival, mental survival. You learn how to operate when you're uncomfortable. You learn how to function when you're tired. You learn how to stay calm under pressure. You learn how to adapt and overcome. You learn how to think clearly in stressful environments. Deployment reinforced that, because now it's real responsibility, and definitely real uncertainty. And those experiences, they harden you in a way nothing else can. The military exposed me to manhood in a different way. Independence, accountability, and maturity. But it's important to understand something most people don't realize. It's not just hardcore yelling and chaos all the time. Yes, discipline is part of the environment, but it's also normal life. In a lot of ways. It's like college, essentially. But instead of going to classes every morning, you start your day with discipline. PT, physical training. Then you go to work. But you have your own place, you have your own routine, and you have your own freedom. And at the same time, you can still attend college. That's what I did. I was building my education while building myself. So you're not just earning income, you're developing independence, accountability, and preparing your future in multiple directions all at once. And that combination, it changes you. At 19, I didn't fully understand what I was gaining. But looking back at it now, it gave me leverage, VA benefits, the GI Bill, discipline. But most importantly, it gave me separation from limitations. And when you remove yourself from limiting environments, you give yourself room to become someone new. The discipline I use today, with investing, with positioning, with decision making, that foundation started early. The military didn't make me who I am, but it gave me guidance and experience to build myself intentionally. And once you develop discipline, you realize something else becomes the real battle. Because discipline isn't just about what you do. It's about what you ignore, what you avoid, what you refuse to let distract you. And in the next episode, I'm going to talk about one of the biggest things that keep people stuck: distractions, how it quietly steals your time, your energy, and your future. If you're trying to level up without the hype, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow the journey, because this isn't theory. This is real life, real positioning, and real progress. Make smart moves, and I see you on the come up.